friends, welcome to City's Kitchen. Today we are traveling from Navi Mumbai Airport to Goa. As this is our first time to catch a plane from this airport, we thought to capture some of the view. Along with this, we are also capturing the runway for you to view it. Welcome back, friends. So we have reached the Mopa Airport at Goa. For the next 2 days, we will be staying at Taj Siadat, Goa at Panaji. It's a beach resort, and it is situated approximately 1 hour from the Mopa Airport. So let's see what is in store. Since we have reached Tatsiadat, Goa, and super excited to be here for the next 2 days. So there are two resorts at this property. One is the Heritage One, which is totally like a Portuguese-styled heritage property, complementing the Goan vibe. And the next one is the Horizon Resort, which gives you a premium Taj, classy business type of vibe. So let's see, how beautiful these two resorts are. We have reached Tatsiadar Heritage, but I got to know that I ended up making a mistake of booking Tatsiadar Horizon. So we'll be staying there and taking the shuttle every day to access this beautiful resort of which is of Portuguese style, and we'll be spending our time between these two resorts and just look at this beautiful view. I am so looking forward to having a good time over here. So more to come on amenities and room in this property. This is the beautiful view from the Tatsiadat Horizon lobby, and we were welcomed with a refreshing drink. Post which we will be going to our room. So we are at our room in Horizon. Super excited to see this bedroom, a huge size bedroom with modern amenities. You can see a sofa, a king size bed, a small table to have your tea, coffee. You can work there. A nice dressing table kind of space with a mirror, and a huge window near the bed area. So this definitely, looks cozy. A huge TV, a coffee station area, space to keep your luggage. So yeah, we booked this from Make My Trip, and it costed us around 15K per night, inclusive taxes. Here is a storage space where you can keep your luggage, valuables and everything. Taj definitely, makes you feel comfortable and, with the room size as well as, cozy treatment. Um, Next, we are heading to the bathroom space, a huge place to kind of get ready, a big mirror, and on the right hand side we have the shower space, um, with all the luxury, shower gels, items, and all of that. This is how the shower space looks like. It's pretty decent in size, and the dressing table, dressing area where definitely a huge mirror to kind of get dressed. It has good items from Forest Essentials. Next, this is the WC area. The bathroom size is quite huge, and I'm very excited for the next 2 days. Definitely, this looks like a smart pick. So yeah. So Sumitra and I took a 7 a.m. shuttle to reach from Horizon to a heritage property. because I wanted to do this, tour for, my viewers. So this is the lobby area for Heritage. Very beautiful, so you won't be seeing much people around. Um, so it's around 7:15 a.m. in the morning. This is a lobby area. On the right hand side, there is a nice spot to kind of go and sit and have your coffee. There is a book shelf where you can pick the books to read, fiction, non-fiction. And this is the part of the cafe area, but you can always sit here. If you want to order something, you can order. If not, but very nice sea breeze you get from here, and the view is fantastic. Look, overlooking the swimming pool and the Urban Quim beach. You can see there is a lift over here on the left hand side, so that elderly people can take just from the ground to this level. Yeah, and if you can look, see the view from all of these windows, complete Portugal style, vibe. And yeah, a very beautiful morning. Right now we are going downstairs, from where we can look at the Cafe Azul, where we had our lunch. I'll probably add that video as well. And I wanted to go to the beach and the right side of the portals. So that is why I just took the stairs. On the left hand side is the Cafe Azul. You get different various cuisines over here. And during the lunch it looks really beautiful because very bright, sunny, and it has a very Greece kind of interiors, Santorini kind of look. Yeah, the pool is empty as well because people start pushing in, I think, from 7:38 a.m. Yeah, on the right hand side you can see the photos, the rooms, and this is the pool, and that is the sea. Yeah. So these are the quarters overlooking the sea, beach. You can see they have, like, balcony, as well as a lot of these rooms have swings as well. Sumit and I are taking morning stroll. It is very calm and peaceful. We are having a good time. The beach looks very peaceful, calm, serene. Yeah, so if you can see on the right hand side, the place to kind of sit, uh, chairs, as well as swings, and just look at this view. Very clean beach. um, and these are the quarters, like somebody on the staying on the ground floor, and somebody staying on the first floor. And as you see, the beach is absolutely empty. We are kind of eager to go there as soon as possible once we record this. You can look at the beautiful swings on the right hand side. um, and yeah, beautiful coconut trees, and the cloud looks absolutely dramatic today morning. So yeah, all in all, a very nice weather. Hi Sumit, so what are you feeling today on the second day of our stay at Taj? Sierra, the horizon, come heritage.
So we are mostly roaming in Heritage itself. We are staying at Horizon. It's nearby and there is shuttle service. But we like Heritage. The beach is very nearby.
Can we show them the view? Okay. So we are having all our lunch, dinner here itself. No,
Yeah.
dinner we had it yesterday over at Horizon. Uh, but we are planning to have our breakfast at Lafarge, and post that we want to go for a swim, and we'll probably spend most of our day at Heritage at this point of time.
So
Because
Heritage has very good Goa vibe. I
it's
mean, you can
like
see the
a
building.
Portugal.
Yeah, Portugal vibe. Beach is nearby, so you see the buildings, the kind of restaurants, and the ambience they have. So and they have really good Goa specific cuisines and thali especially if you are non-vegetarian.
You can get it in cafe as well.
Yeah, you can get in cafes and yeah.
So we'll capture more in coming time. But before we wrap up, there is the view again. So post our small tour at the heritage property, we decided to go to the beach. This is Vanning William Beach, and this is attached to the Taj property. As you can see in the morning, very few people. You can have a good time, walking on the beach. It is very clean, and you can stand, let the waves crash on your feet. You can have a swim, because right now it wasn't a very high tide, and the clouds were very beautiful. Here I'm capturing, my husband, very beautiful waves. We thought to kind of, have a quiet morning walk. You can come in the evening also, and watch the sunset. Evening you will find more people. We thought to kind of come in the morning because we just wanted to kind of have a quiet time. Hi friends, good morning. Today's our second day at Taj Siadad Heritage Property. You can see the swimming pool. This is something which I had kind of covered in my earlier portion of the video also. This is a pool where three pools which overlooks the sea. And along with it, we have Cafe Azul and Larange restaurant as well, and the beach restaurant. So today we will be covering the other section of the heritage property. You can see the beach from here. You can go to the beach. Then upcoming is the basketball court where you can play with your partner or family members. And on the other side is the quarters or the rooms. On the right hand side are small tables as well as benches overlooking the sea beach, where you can kind of have your morning coffee, or you can just come and sit, and take in the morning breeze. um, Here you can see further rooms, and also garden area where you can walk. There are tall banyan trees, coconut trees, which gives a very very cool breeze air, as well as there is a lot of shed within the property itself. I thoroughly enjoyed myself sitting over these benches. This is the kids section, small section where they can come and play. But as I was saying, I thoroughly enjoyed my time, sitting over these benches and overlooking the sea. I could, watch sunset, in the morning I could see, people running or going for a walk, and kind of, enjoy my calm time period, and have a good time. You can see the view from here. It's absolutely beautiful. Grand the Taj Siadad Horizon entrance looks like. Since it's early in the morning, the fountain is still not working. 07:30 a.m. is when the fountain starts. But this is the grand entrance of the Horizon Taj Siadad Hotel. Post this, which it will be taking you to the lobby area. As we completed a heritage property tour, it's a great time to kind of capture that where we had been living. That is the Sat Siada, the horizon lobby view, and if you can see the view is just fantastic, and the lobby looks rich and premium. This is the C2C restaurant, specializing in coastal food. And on the left hand side, you can see the BLD restaurant. This is how the BLD restaurant looks from inside. Here you could have your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I'll just in a minute take you from the view, to the view where from where we could, sit and have our breakfast. Both the days I had my breakfast from here. and the view is absolutely mesmerizing. If you can see, just look at the view, how beautiful it is. And you can just sit outside in nature and enjoy this view, having your food and meal. So yeah, that was definitely something special. And I had come here 2 years back, not 2 years, I think 3 years back, and it was there in my mind to come and have my food here again. So this is a buffet breakfast spread. I couldn't capture the entire thing, but hot, warm Indian cuisines, as well as for healthy people, you have the healthy options as well. These are some of the desserts. And again, some North Indian, South Indian meal. Um, Idlis are there, as well as various other spread, as well juices, to keep yourself English breakfast. So yeah, all in all, it was a good spread, and fruits as well. Just look at this view, having this beautiful meal. Isn't it beautiful? Banyan Eat Bar right now, which has a beautiful view where you can sit, have some light bites, and some premium drinks. Um, this is pretty good for an evening, drink with your friends, family. This is C2C, a restaurant which offers you coastal cuisines. Again, I think most of the restaurants in Tatsiada Horizon has a beautiful view. This is something where if you're interested in coastal, cuisine, you can go ahead and try. On the right hand side, we have the wellness spa where you can go and relax yourself. Before going for a hearty meal at BLD, we thought to capture some of the remaining amenities at Tatsiada Horizon. This viewpoint is fabulous, overlooking the Arabian Sea. This is a level below the lobby area. You have a swimming pool and a gymnasium at this particular floor. Or there is another swimming pool on the top floor, which is an infinity pool. I will cover that also in a bit. So let's have a look at gym and the swimming pool. Um, so on the left hand side, we have the gymnasium. We are not capturing it from the inside because the people were working out and we did not feel comfortable. Gymnasium definitely looks like a pretty size, and you can come here for your routine workout. And on the right hand side, you can see the swimming pool overlooking the Arabian Sea. You have sun deck where you can come and sit and chillax as well. And also the view is beautiful. Now we are at top floor or terrace of Tatsiadat Goa Horizon. This particular floor or terrace comprises of a long stretch where you can walk, look at the mesmerizing view of the Arabian Sea, and an infinity pool and a lot of sun decks. Um, and I think you can stand here with your partner or family members and just check this view out. And as you can see on the right hand side, we have the Suntex, um, and here is some plantation on the back side. There is some buildings, but it's a huge space where you can walk or come out for a nice breeze. Have a peaceful walk. So this is how the terrace looks like. This view definitely is beautiful. On the left hand side is the infinity pool. I just quickly, ran through this, and the sun decks. This vlog comes to an end. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel so that we can keep on coming up with interesting videos. But bye for now from this beautiful place.